Hey everyone, welcome back to Young and Rich Path YouTube channel. If you've been wondering how to open an online bank account, today I'm breaking it down step by step. Whether it's your first account or you're switching to digital banking for convenience, by the end of this video you'll know exactly what to do and what mistakes to avoid. Opening an online bank account is easier than you think, but a lot of people still get stuck or overwhelmed by the process. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through everything, from choosing the right bank to filling out your application to getting your account up and running without hassle. Step 1 is picking the right bank or credit union. Look for things like no hidden fees, easy-to-use mobile apps, good customer service, and if you want extras, maybe high-yield savings or cashback rewards. Do a quick comparison online and make sure the bank is FDIC or NCUA insured. That means your money is protected. Step 2 is super important. Get your documents ready. Most banks will ask for a government-issued ID, like your driver's license or passport, social security number or tax ID, proof of address, like a utility bill or lease. Having these ready will save you time. Step 3. Go to the bank's website or app and click Open an Account. You'll enter your personal info, upload your documents, and in some cases, answer a few security questions. Don't worry, it usually takes less than 10 minutes. Step 4. You'll need to make your first deposit. Most banks let you fund your account by transferring from another bank account, using a debit card, or even mailing a check. The minimum opening deposit can be as low as $0 to $25, depending on the bank. And step 5, once your account is approved, download the mobile app and set up online banking. From there you can pay bills, send money, deposit checks with your phone, track your spending. It's like having a bank branch in your pocket. Quick warning, don't skip the fine print. Always check for monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance requirements, ATM access fees. These little details can save you a lot of money in the long run. And that's it. That's how to open an online bank account step by step. Super simple, right? If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Young and Rich Path YouTube channel, and drop a comment below if you're planning to open an online account soon, or if you already have one and want to share your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.